Seagulls are more than just beach birds stealing fries. They are smart, adaptable, and surprisingly skilled survivors. Seagulls can live near oceans, lakes, rivers, and even cities. They are excellent flyers, and some can travel long distances in search of food. They also have a strong vision, which helps them spot food from far away. Seagulls are social birds, too. They often live in colonies, build nests together, and care for their chicks as a team. And yes, they are known for being bold when it comes to food, but that clever behavior is part of what helps them survive. So the next time you see a seagull, remember, this bird is not just loud and curious, it is smart, adaptable, and built for survival.